18 weeks pregnant. What to expect? At 18 weeks of pregnancy, try not to sleep too much on your back, as it can cause your blood pressure to drop. Baby's growth during week 18. Your baby can now yawn and hiccup. You might start feeling those tiny kicks. Your baby's nervous system is functioning well and continuing to mature. At this stage, your baby can also recognize and hear voices. At 18 weeks, your baby weighs about 185 to 187 grams and measures around 5 to 6 inches in length. Your waistline may start to expand quite a bit. You should be able to feel your uterus just below your belly button. By now, you may have gained around 6 kilograms of weight. You might also notice some stretch marks appearing around your belly. Sleeping on your side may start to feel uncomfortable, which can sometimes interrupt your sleep. You can expect some body aches as your baby grows rapidly and becomes heavier. You might notice mild swelling in your hands or legs due to your body's increased production of fluids. Some women may also experience occasional nosebleeds caused by increased pressure in the blood vessels. You'll likely start feeling your baby's kicks more clearly now, as your little one becomes more active. Frequent urges to urinate are also common, as the enlarged uterus puts pressure on your bladder. Your belly will continue to expand as your baby grows quickly inside your body. If you notice any sudden weight drops or gains, it's best to discuss them with your doctor. During your ultrasound, you'll be able to see that your baby has developed some muscles and is moving more energetically. Stay hydrated. Fill your mind with positive thoughts. Exercise lightly. Keep your surroundings bright and cheerful. Attend yoga sessions and treat yourself to a relaxing massage. Eat proper meals at proper times and in proper portions. Don't indulge in alcohol. Don't starve yourself. Don't compromise on personal hygiene. Don't exhaust yourself. Don't stress yourself. Congratulations. You're now 18 weeks pregnant, almost at the halfway mark of your pregnancy. Keep taking care of yourself and your growing baby. Thank you for watching.